Have you ever heard the old adage, failing to plan is planning to fail? It's more true than you know, especially when it comes to business. Since 2010, I've coached and consulted thousands of small business owners around the world. And I'm going to tell you one thing. Some of the most successful ones have actually practiced goal setting. They plan their campaigns. They plan their product launches. They plan their events. And by doing so, they set goals so that they can measure if they were successful. Stay tuned because I'm going to show you how to set goals for your business and how you can make your marketing grow bigger and better. Here we go. So the first step is to figure out, where are we measuring success? What types of metrics are we looking at to figure out if we're achieving our goals? So you might want more leads, sales, email subscribers, people joining your mailing list, maybe appointments, maybe phone calls, form submissions, views of your videos. Maybe it's social followers. I hear that a lot. I want more Facebook followers, Instagram followers, more foot traffic, more people coming through your door. Or maybe downloads. Do you have a PDF, a manual, a success story, a case study, a worksheet that you want people to download so that they start to learn more about your products and services? And sometimes goals have to do with decreasing things. So maybe we want to decrease the number of unqualified leads, the time spent per sale, maybe back and forth emails, cutting down on all of that monotony back and forth in the inbox. How about missed appointments? Doesn't that really grind your gears when you set up the appointment, you're all ready, you prep yourself for the call or the live meeting, and then it's a no-show? There's a SMART goal right there. So in order to make your life easier in developing your SMART goals, I've created this formula. Now, it's kind of one of those things where I've seen people struggle through this process, so let me kind of bake this out for you and I'll give you some examples. Now, first off, I modeled it off. Do you remember when you were a kid, maybe, or you have grandkids or something that use Mad Libs? Remember those stories where you'd fill in a blank, you put in a noun, adjective, and then you'd read the story, it would be fun? Well, I tried to do that, tried to make it as simple as possible. So these are fill in the blank formulas. First off, I want to increase or decrease. Increase something positive, decrease something negative. My marketing metric. Now we just talked about marketing metrics. Missed appointments, that's something we want to decrease. Email subscribers, we want to increase. So choose your marketing metric, what's going to help you get to that next point to grow your business. Then we're going to add in a quantity or percentage. That's the number. Remember, SMART goals have to be measurable. So do we want to increase our email subscribers by 100, or do we want to increase our email subscribers by 15%? Then we're going to choose the marketing channel. Now your marketing channel could be your website, could be YouTube, Google My Business, it could be social media like Facebook, Instagram, it could be blogging sites like Medium. So what marketing channel are you going to use in order to increase or decrease this specific metric? And then you're setting a length of time. Basically, you're making yourself accountable and saying, I'm going to do it by this date. So here's an example. I want to increase my new customer leads by 10% through my website in the next 3 months. You see how I just popped in those little kind of filled in the blanks, and now I have a SMART goal specific to my new customer leads. Now let's walk through it. And does it meet those kind of 5 criteria of a SMART goal? Is it specific? Yes, I want to increase my new customer leads. And then is it measurable by 10%? Is it attainable? I'd say increasing your leads by 10% is attainable, wouldn't you agree? Is it relevant? Of course. New customer leads coming in are definitely, they're the lifeblood of our business, right? We need to get new customers and be selling them and turning them into return customers, so of course. And is it time sensitive? In the next 3 months. So it fits the criteria of a SMART goal. Here's an example of a SMART goal where you may want to decrease something. I want to decrease my number of missed appointments by 50% through my calendar scheduling app in the next 1 month. So someone might start this SMART goal if you're a professional service provider, consultant, coach. You set up a lot of calls and then you have people that don't show, they cancel an hour before, or they just don't even show up because they don't remember. So now what you're going to do, your marketing channel is going to be your calendar scheduling app like Calendly or Acuity Scheduling. And now you can set people up, they can book right on your calendar, and then they even receive notifications. So by using this tool, we're able to hopefully hit that goal of decreasing our missed appointments by 50% in the next month. So my friends, not only have I explained to you what SMART goals are and we've gone over the criteria, remember, specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, time sensitive, I've given you a formula and even given you some different ideas on SMART goals that you can create for your business. Until next time, I hope you stay well, stay healthy, stay happy. Here's to your success.